Hi, today I'm going to show you how to print a nozzle check, which is like a test page, on an Epson Stylus SX620FW. Now this test page is a great first step in troubleshooting and can be done from the machine itself using nothing but the buttons you can see here. So first of all, we're going to want to be on the menu, which looks like this. If you're not already there, hit the menu button and it'll return you there. So we're going to go into copy by pressing OK. And then we're going to go down to option 4, which is maintenance, and then press OK again. Nozzle check is the very first option, so we press OK. Now, I presume you've already got paper in there. If you haven't, chuck some in. Then we're going to hit the either of these start buttons here. And after just a minute, we'll be presented with a page like this. And as you can see here, we've got a breakdown of the black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, showing the printer's ability to both print these colours and kind of do fine detail. You'd be looking for any kind of breaks in here that would suggest print quality issues with any of the colours, or even just missing colours, identifying a more serious blockage within the print head. But if we go back to the screen, we have number 1, finish nozzle check, which I would do because everything's looking okay. But if you can see any breaks in your printing, I'd recommend going down 1 to head cleaning, clicking into that and following the prompts on screen. Now, head cleaning pushes fresh ink into the print head and will hopefully dislodge anything that's causing print quality issues for you, and hopefully get you where you want to be with some nice looking prints. And you can just go in circles from there, cleaning, nozzle checking, until you're happy with the results. But that's about all there is to see here. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you found it useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.